You need to watch this if you struggle with your credit score, or if you want to unlock a 750 credit score in 2025. Because what I'm about to reveal could be the difference between getting the keys to your dream apartment or being left out in the cold. Most people have no idea how much power this one number has over their lives until it's too late. Picture this. After years of hard work, you've finally landed your very first job. The excitement is real. You're holding your first paycheck, feeling like the world is opening up for you. You're ready to take on new responsibilities, make your own choices, and start building your future. You start searching for your own place, and after days of scrolling through listings and touring apartments, you find the perfect one. It's got everything you need. A cozy bedroom, a kitchen to cook your favorite meals, maybe even a view of the city. You can already picture yourself living there, inviting friends over, and finally having a space to call your own. But just as you're about to sign the lease, reality hits. You get a call or an email. Rejected. The reason? Your credit history is too thin, or maybe you don't have one at all. That dream apartment? Suddenly, it's out of reach. The door closes before you even get a chance to walk through it. It's a harsh wake-up call, a moment that so many young people face, often without warning. You realize that, in the adult world, your credit score can matter more than you ever imagined. And it's not just about apartments. Maybe you're eyeing your first car, hoping to get a loan so you can finally stop relying on rides from friends or public transit. But when you sit down with the dealer, you're hit with sky-high interest rates, or worse, another rejection. Suddenly, even basic steps toward independence feel out of reach. Sometimes it's not just about where you live or what you drive. Some employers check your credit before offering you a job. Imagine losing out on a position you're perfect for, all because of a number you barely understand. Suddenly, it feels like your entire future is being judged by a mysterious score. You're left wondering, how did I get here? Why does this number have so much power over my life? It feels unfair. No one taught you these rules in school, and yet they shape your opportunities, your choices, and your dreams. You're expected to play a game you never even knew existed. Credit scores can slam doors in your face, making you feel stuck or left behind, even when you're doing your best. But here's the truth. This isn't the end of your story. You're not powerless, and you're definitely not alone. Millions of people have faced this same challenge and found a way forward. That rejection? It can be your turning point. It's the moment you decide to take control, to learn the rules, and to start building a stronger financial future. Building good credit isn't about luck, privilege, or having wealthy parents. It's about understanding how the system works and making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Every payment, every bill, every decision counts. The more you know, the more power you have. When you understand the system, you can make it work for you, not against you. So let's pull back the curtain on credit scores. Let's turn that frustration into action and confusion into confidence. You have the ability to change your story. You can take control of your financial future one step at a time. It starts with understanding, and it grows with every smart choice you make. It all begins with learning the rules, because once you know them, you can start winning the game. Let's get you back in the driver's seat. You have what it takes to build your future. You can do this. Your credit score isn't your worth, but in today's world, it's almost as important as your school grades once were. Think of it as your financial report card, a number that follows you everywhere, quietly shaping your opportunities and choices. Whether you're just starting out or have been managing money for years, your credit score is a reflection of your financial habits and decisions. It's not about how much money you make, but how responsibly you handle what you have. Your credit score is your financial reputation, built over time through every bill you pay, every loan you take, and every credit card you use. Lenders, landlords, and even employers use it as a quick snapshot of your responsibility. They don't have time to get to know you personally, so they rely on this number to judge if you're trustworthy, reliable, and likely to meet your obligations. A high score opens doors to better interest rates, nicer apartments, and more financial opportunities. On the flip side, a low score can make life harder, raising red flags and closing off options you might want or need. In the past, a banker might have known your family or your character. Decisions were made based on personal relationships and trust built over time. Now, it's all about the number. Algorithms and credit bureaus decide your fate, often before you even meet a real person. Your credit score affects almost every aspect of adult life: loans, apartments, utilities, insurance, and even job offers. It's the silent gatekeeper to your future. Employers see your credit as a sign of trustworthiness and responsibility, especially for jobs that involve handling money or sensitive information. Like it or not, your credit score is your adulting GPA. It's a number that can follow you for years, impacting your dreams and goals. A 750 score unlocks lower rates, better apartments, and peace of mind. It means less stress and more freedom to make choices that fit your life. You don't have to love the system, but you do have to play the game. Understanding how it works gives you power over your financial future. Build your score, and you build your options. Every smart move you make today adds up to more opportunities tomorrow. It's not just about numbers, it's about freedom, flexibility, and the ability to shape your own path. So, take control. Time to start earning those A's in the real world, one smart financial decision at a time. No credit history? Start with a secured credit card. You put down a deposit, say $300, and get a card with a $300 limit. Use it for small, planned purchases, then pay it off in full and on time. Make sure the card reports to all 3 credit bureaus. This builds your payment history, the biggest factor in your score. After 6-12 months of responsible use, you can upgrade to a regular card and get your deposit back. Don't be embarrassed. Starting with a secured card is smart. It's your first step to good credit. Use it wisely and you'll open bigger doors. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. Start here and you're on your way. Want to boost your credit even more? Try a credit builder loan. You make small monthly payments to the bank, which holds the money in a savings account. Each on-time payment is reported to the credit bureaus. At the end, you get your money back, plus a better credit score. This adds an installment loan to your credit mix, showing lenders you can handle different types of credit. Combine a credit builder loan with a secured card for a fast, safe credit boost. The key: never miss a payment. Build positive habits, not debt. Use the system to your advantage. If you remember one thing, let it be this: never miss a payment. Payment history is 35% of your score, the single biggest factor. One late payment can drop your score by 100 points and haunt you for 7 years. Life gets busy, so automate your payments. Set up auto pay for at least the minimum due, then pay off the rest manually. Use reminders and budgeting apps to stay on track. Every on-time payment is a building block for your financial future. Consistency is everything. Building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, responsible decisions add up. Protect your payment history like it's gold. One missed payment can undo years of progress. Make on-time payments your top priority. Your future self will thank you. To win at credit, know the score formula. 5 ingredients: payment history, 35%. Amounts owed, 30%. Length of credit, history, 15%. Credit mix, 10%. And new credit, 10%. Pay on time, no exceptions. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 10%. Start building credit early and keep old accounts open. Mix it up. Have both revolving credit cards and installment loans accounts. Don't open too many new accounts at once. Too many inquiries look risky. Focus on the big 2. Pay on time and keep balances low. The rest will follow. Understand the recipe and you'll bake a great score. No more guessing. Just smart moves. That's how you win. Age matters in credit. Your oldest account anchors your credit history. Don't close it. Even if it's a basic card, keep it open and use it occasionally. Closing old accounts shortens your credit age and can drop your score. Start early and let your accounts age gracefully. Think of your oldest card as the roots of your financial tree. The longer it's there, the stronger your credit. Don't cut it down. Let it grow. Time is your ally in building great credit. Good news? Credit scoring is evolving. Tools like Experian Boost let you add positive payment history for rent, utilities, and phone bills to your credit file. Ultra FICO considers your banking habits too. These tools help if you have a thin credit file. Check your credit reports regularly for errors. Mistakes happen. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives you the right to dispute inaccuracies. If you spot a problem, act fast and file a dispute. Stay informed about new rules, especially around student loans and medical debt. Knowledge is power. Use it to protect and improve your score. Be proactive, not passive with your credit. Let's put it all together. Your step-by-step action plan to reach a 750 credit score, even if you're starting from scratch. Building great credit isn't about luck or secret tricks. It's about making smart, consistent moves, one step at a time. Here's how you can transform your financial future, starting today. Step 1. Get a secured credit card that reports to all 3 credit bureaus. This is your entry ticket to the world of credit. Even if you have no credit history, a secured card is designed for beginners. Make sure the card you choose reports your activity to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, so every payment counts. Step 2. Add a credit builder loan to your toolkit. These small loans, often available at credit unions or community banks, help you diversify your credit mix. Lenders like to see you can handle different types of credit responsibly, and this step can give your score an extra boost. Step 3. Use your card for small, manageable purchases each month. Think groceries, gas, or a streaming subscription. The key is to keep your balance low and pay it off in full, every single time. This shows lenders you're responsible and helps keep your credit utilization low. Step 4. Automate your payments so you never miss a due date. Set up autopay or calendar reminders for every bill. On-time payments are the single most important factor in your credit score, so make it impossible to forget. Step 5. Keep your oldest credit accounts open and let them age. The longer your credit history, the better. Don't close your first card, even if you don't use it much. A long positive history is a big plus for your score. Step 6. Regularly check your credit reports for errors and use tools like Experian Boost to get credit for bills you already pay, like utilities or streaming services. Monitoring your credit helps you spot mistakes early and take action fast. Be patient. Credit building is a marathon, not a sprint. It can take months, even years, to reach a top score, but every smart move you make adds up over time. Celebrate your progress along the way. Don't let past mistakes or a lack of history hold you back. Everyone starts somewhere, and every positive step you take now helps rewrite your financial story. You have the power to change your future. Start today. Open that secured card, set up autopay, and take control of your financial journey. Each action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Every on-time payment is a step closer to financial freedom. You're in control. The doors will open. You can do this. Your 750 credit score journey starts now. Go get started.